What's going on, guys? All right, so it's getting colder now, and I'm noticing that upstairs, I have a two-story house. Upstairs is getting hot with the heat, and downstairs the heat's not coming. So been trying to figure out what's wrong, and I realized it's the ducts. So there's these levers right here. This one's for upstairs, and then let's see, this one over here is for downstairs. Now, not typically, always, if the lever is parallel to the duct, which this one is, that means it's open. If it was the other way around, like that, then it would be closed. So I've noticed the one for upstairs is parallel, which is open. The one for downstairs is not, and it's closed. So just turn it, maybe close the one over here a little bit, play around with it, see what works the best, and there you go, your heat works better now.